You are now watching Zimbabwe Entertainment, fresh from the source.
Yeah. Murico era Maoria. Maoria, Murico era Oko. Murico era Maoria. Celsius. Give us one more tune. And the God's okay. Are you ready for Celsius? One more tune from Celsius. Celsius. And the Toga Tinsway. Baba, big up kuna chippers ndiye arikuita kuti zvifaye and ndaona Pauline ari momuno sando dzako Pauline right vasingandizive ndinonzi Mofu aka Paul Simple, you know, from Zimbabwe Entertainment. Big up Celsius all the way from Norton. Ras Caleb ndanzoti ari pano ndamupodza zvangu, but anyway sando kuna Ras Caleb zvikiriviri zvangu Ras Caleb we are going to freestyle. Ras Caleb for Zim Entertainment. Deep Vega freestyle for Zim Entertainment. Ras Caleb, are you ready for Ras Caleb?
We're ready.
I see Pauline Dakuona Oripana Pafuti. Ukatipoka na freestyle, you know, I would love that. You know, one love to you. Ndukuona. Yeah. Ras Caleb, are you ready? Right. Big up Asekuru Entertainment. Big up Asekuru. Big up on yourself. Well, let me say Zimbabwe Entertainment, fresh from the source.
Yeah, normally I don't want to get back on the stage twice, but because Paul Simple is here, Zimbabwe Entertainment is here. Can you ever feeling me? Run the track, the DJ. Hit at it, you know this song? Hit at it. Papa na tell you we don't see me. Then rip chest, but not same Chris on a level. Ras Caleb, oh, my baby. You know this song? Feeling me, and the shy got dance, oh, my baby. You know this song? No more party, no more honey, silent party, I am for honey, no more party, no more honey, my baby, oh, dance on the basket, but she dance on now. No, so she down the floor. Oh, my baby, my baby. You're beautiful. I have to sing for you. Can I sing for Pauline? Can I sing for Pauline? Can I sing for Pauline? Serious? Really? Alright. Girl, you got the thing, girl. Gonna change and look, child. You got the thing, girl. Gonna change and look, child.
Barukubira Pauline we are pano. Aiwa igona kutiza. Zoka pano. Una mofela. Ini ndinoitwa mofolo. Ndina vanonzi amaiskai makadii nyamaiskai.
Aiwa tinofara.
Munowaziva amaiskai? Chimbotipaika ka acapella, something old school. mafreak. Munowaziva rounds mafreaky. Vanopenga so. Vavaimba na Discord. Right? Get ready for this exclusive Zimbabwe entertainment. Amai Sky Tipeo a cappella.
Ipo paya pawa candida, daifunga kuti uchandiramba, negotira ndinaro, rino itakunge rine mubato, nerundako vaka, umungo ndina ndakadaro, desaka nijiziva kuti, mega kupiwa nangwari, 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 nangwari. Nagagupiwa nangwari, 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 nangwari. Dinana di hiemberanziyo, ruyara noga momoyo, uchende uza mashoko, amande baya pamoyo, kana uja taura chokwani.
Zogai, Amai Sky, we are pano. We are dependent on Matanga. Amai Sky vaga varisa inonzi Zion Tax Rhythm. Pana no inonzi Zion Tax Rhythm panapa. Magari ndo inonzi Zion Tax. Rina Celsius, Rina Amai Sky. And then that's it from me, Mofela, Zimbabwe Entertainment. We have CDs here for Celsius. Dollar, Dombi. We are doing in the camera. I report my CDs. But right now, Dina Amai Sky. Ndovani is right. Acapella.
Hapana moshansi na wawa kizani, pose mudatine tane, moyo yenyu haingare, inofara kusepato taza, tingawe shanje herezo kugara, iwe usafare nenile wangu, rungave rodo hedera kutora, iwe usafare nenile wangu, tada chizeveze. Tada chizeve hamunyar, yebra kusekera moy hamufar, munoti daiva sina urugare, barabana museka munyare, kante utewo, chikonzero, shiri agapiwa mapapiro, hanziva kakutuka, sumuka pururuka, kuiniwe toka ndomanya, doya de pinko, siya wataure ya mambure miro moaizare minerizi, siya wataure muno wangaroa, aparari nemazwi. Blessed, representing from Africa.
This is Big Mike. How simple. Choose the old Big Mike one is.
Big Mike ndo vano driver bima inoita kuti mukomana we asvike kumashow. Kana ndichiti mukomana we ndikutaura mukomana we ma voice. Mukomana wa voice. Oh my voice. Okay. Ayo, iyo jizima engine.
Engine ndazima.
Zima engine.
Ayo, engine uko zima silent. Ndozika pako mukama.
Start engine. Iyo jizima.
Engine uko zima silent. Ndozima.
Iyo zima say.
Iyo tokana. Ayo titi atisoteka.
160.
The Big Mike is short as he is.
Mike. But anyway, same way still, asekuru ndiwo ari panyanga. Vakunibata bhondi pano, anzi vanozibadandaro.
Pamushapa ningi pa Chippers.
Ma Warriors. Uyu ndiye anonzi Jeff Hardy.
DJ.
Inzwa. Celsius. Na Monas.
Asi hatikondi, hatizimondi. Tafia madema nenge wakagara, wakaita kunge mazombi. Basi panuone, takazwa kwa zilipo. Lichachisia zilipo. Ajengaramu waroma
have been watching Zimbabwe Entertainment, fresh from the source.